What did you just do?
Grounded the aircraft.
You just grounded it?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's just a cable.
What do you mean grounded?
So, because an aircraft can hold static electricity,
Oh.
and you don't want static electricity when you're fueling an aircraft.
Why? What could happen?
Fire. It could spark and catch on fire.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's happened?
Well, I've never seen it happen.
Where does that go to? What is that? What is the cord?
It's just wire. Steel wire with coating around it.
Wow, that thing is serious. What are these?
Static discharge wicks.
They're what?
Static discharge wicks.
Static discharge wicks.
Wicks, like a candle wick.
What do they do?
Well, as air flows over this,